Dear viewers, in this video we will see assembly of gland and stuffing box. So I already made the part designs from this diagram. So now directly I'm going to assemble all these parts. So go to the Solidworks, open a new module, assembly module. Now I'm going to bring in the components. Okay. So the first component, the first two components I'm going to bring is one is stuffing box and then the gland. So I'm going to fix the stuffing box. Okay, I'm going to fix this one. I'm going to make it float. Gland, I'm going to make it float. Now we can move this gland freely, whereas the stuffing box is fixed. Okay. Now go to mate. Okay. So select this one and select this one. Okay. So here select concentric mate. Okay. Click OK. Now next I'm going to bring in the stud. Okay. So this stud I have to put it here. Okay, since this hole is also having thread, here is also thread present in the studs. Okay, so I'm going to switch on the temporary axis, go to view, hide show, select temporary axis. Now you can see all the centers are now you can select using the axis line. Okay, so now go to mate. Okay, select this axis line and this axis line. Okay, I can see it sits perfectly onto this hole. Okay, next I'm going to okay, so this hole this green hole is actually 16 mm deep. Okay, but thread depth is only 6 mm. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a distance mate. Okay, so this surface mate. Okay, this surface and then this surface. This surface and then this surface. Okay, now the distance between these two, actually depth is 16 mm, but thread is only up to 10 mm. Okay, so the distance, you have to select the distance mate. So here you can see distance. So here you can give 6. Now you can see correctly it sits onto the thread. Okay, click OK. Okay, now this distance is the distance that is without thread. Okay, this distance is around 25. Okay, that you can refer to here. Yes, you can see this is total is 80 and then minus 55, that is 25. Okay, so what you can do, so select this face and then this face. Okay, now give distance mate as 25. Click OK. Okay, now bring in the nut. So this is 10 M10, so bring in the M10 nut. Okay, again mate, select this one and select this axis. Okay, select OK. Now again this face, again this face and then this one. So next if I want okay, this stem should this stem should come in this hole. Okay, so select this face and then this face, click OK. Now the stud sits perfectly onto this gland. Okay, and now similarly you have to put this stud and the nut on all the 6 holes. So instead of bringing in the same component, you can go for a circular pattern. Here you can see circular pattern. So select a circular edge, delete and select, click on this box. Okay, select a circular edge. Okay, components to fee pattern. Okay, select this stud and then this nut. Okay, so here you have to give 6 equal spacing, 360 degree. Okay, click OK. Now I got studs on all the holes, okay, present in the gland. Okay, now I'm going to bring in the sleeve. Okay, insert component, sleeve. Okay, this is sleeve. Okay, again now go to the mate. Okay, select this one and this one, and this hole should match with this hole. Okay, concentrate. So this distance we can control with the help of a nut and bolt again. Okay, I'm going to bring another a bolt. Okay, this bolt and then this nut M20. Okay, now select go to mate. Okay, select this face and then this face. Okay, now select this face and then this one. Now you can bring this. Okay, up to this. Okay, so this distance will be controlled based on tightening of this nut onto this bolt. Okay, so I'm going to keep it approximately. Okay, so I'm going to drag up to this point. Okay, so I will make this, I will fix this one. Okay, fix this one. Now select this again, select the axis, click OK. Now again select this surface and this surface. Now so we want to put this bolt and nut on this 4 holes. Okay, again you can go for circular pattern. Component to pattern, select this bolt and then this nut. Okay, again 4. Okay, 4 equal spacing, 360. So now you can go and switch off this temporary access. Okay, now this is the final assembly of stuffing box, gland and stuffing box. So I will put a separate video for how to make the part design of this stuffing box, and also a separate video on 2D drawing, how to convert this parts and assembly into a 2D drawing in another separate video. Thanks guys.